What is guys, welcome to today's video. It's going to be pretty interesting, I think. Let's take you out of there. Oh. Yeah, so today's video we're going to be installing the ducktail that I've had for well over a year. Only just had it painted properly, and well, you can see it right there. It's in the corner. It's going to look good. So the plan is to essentially double side it and silicone it, and that should be enough, I think. I'm told it's going to cover all the holes. I don't know if it actually will. I think that forward side bolt might be slightly exposed based on the side of it, but we'll see. If it is left exposed, then I'll just figure out a way I'll cover it with a sticker for now, or just maybe get a load of silicone in there or something. But that is going to be the plan. Fortunately, a little bit of Brexit ball just before we go out and do it. But yeah, it should be good. So let's check it out.
To keep me on your mind, but I know all the things you meant when you said that we're fine. I knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your demons need a Sunday. I won't be leaving you open, that I'm yours. I knew it was for nothing, spending all that time just running. I'm alright, don't miss you much these nights, don't worry.
Soft. Messy. Right, so for the first time we're going to offer the ducktail up and see how many holes it covers, and if it covers all of these nice marks that have been left. So that'll be where it sits. So yeah, I mean a hole there, and then these marks here. See if we can polish that out, and then a sticker or a bung or something to go over that. Generally that's not a terrible fit though.
All the things you meant when you said that we're fine. I knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your demons need a Sunday. I won't be leaving you open, that I'm yours. I guess I knew it was for nothing, spending all that time just running. I'm alright, don't miss you much these nights, don't worry. I don't know where you go, don't need to know more. Let this go. Let me get this off my conscience. I'm missing places I feel